When you think about the physical and the emotional toll that searching for days takes on you, especially with this tough terrain and this Texas heat, it is a lot. But there is a group collectively that's come together of highly trained chefs who are making sure that our first responders feel supported in ways that you may not even think about. Our JD Miles has that part of the story.
An offer of a prayer and a good meal are simple gestures, but essential needs for people like Robert Kimbrough, whose home was destroyed by the July 4th flood in Kerrville.
We have been washed out and we're cleaning out our house. We don't have anything to cook on. We come up here and get food. These people are fantastic. And, you know, a lot of people would be going hungry without them.
Kimbrough is just one of the Hill Country flood victims grateful for Mercy Chefs.
We put love into every meal.
Chef Jaime Arevalo left a career at hotel restaurants and a catering business in Austin to join a disaster relief organization that offers high-quality, handcrafted, chef-produced meals wherever a crisis calls for them.
We've worked in about 360 disasters in 28 states and then around the world. We just believe amazing things happen over a shared meal. And to be able to do that with somebody on potentially the worst day of their life is very important to us.
The amount of food that can be cooked in this trailer, which sits in the parking lot of a Kerrville church, is staggering.
We do 800 to 900 portions. Same thing with the rice.
Volunteers pack the meals that are almost always handed to someone in a hurry, with a greater purpose other than worrying about where to get breakfast, lunch, or dinner. 3,900 meals were served yesterday, and more than 4,000 are expected to be handed out today, giving you an idea of just how many people have responded to this disaster. Why do you do this?
The reason why I do that is for love. Somebody was helping in here just the other day who lost everything. They lost everything, and they are here volunteering their time to help others in need. I mean, if that doesn't fill your tank to continue doing this, I don't know what is, but that's the reason why we do it.
A meal made with love and extra attention won't ease the pain so many people here are suffering, but it does help.
It means everything. When you have nothing to cook on, a meal is awesome.
In Kerrville, JD Miles, CBS News, Texas.